Hey everybody, Nick Rudder from thekeys37.com. Besides manufacturing a complete line of automotive, marine, and RV care products, we also manufacture a household line as well. Carolina Home and Patio is a complete line of household cleaners and protectants for inside and outside your house, or even your motor coach, RV, or bus. So this line has something for every square inch of your house, from your countertops to your windows, stainless steel appliances, patio and deck furniture, awnings, and everything in between. Now, if there's one thing the COVID-19 pandemic has taught us, besides what a hot commodity toilet paper is how important it is to frequently clean the surfaces in your house that you interact with on a daily basis. From your countertops to your refrigerator handle, your microwave, and everything else that you touch on a daily basis, especially surfaces where you're eating food. Now, if you don't clean your house frequently, it's a harvesting ground for bacteria. So just like we say to your car, frequent care is easy care, the same thing goes with your house. Now, on special this week, we have our quarantine kit for Carolina Home and Patio. It consists of 5 key products for cleaning the inside of your house, starting with a foaming glass cleaner. This is a foaming formula that features non-ionic surfactants. It encapsulates dirt and grime so it can be wiped away. It's actually the same cleaning technology found in hospitals. The Carolina all-purpose cleaner can be used full strength or diluted with water, and it cleans virtually everything: grease, grime, inside and outside the house. Tile and granite cleaner is an everyday cleaner that's designed for surfaces like the countertops, the granite, stone, and marble. You spray it on, you wipe, it'll leave them looking great. Tile and granite sealer is a one-step protectant that helps fill in the pores of the granite countertop. That way dirt, grime, and bacteria is not going to accumulate. And then the mildew remover. Now right now, hand sanitizer and Clorox wipes, well, they're very popular and they're difficult to get. When all else fails, you can use Carolina mildew remover. It kills everything and it's safe for all hard surfaces. So besides bathrooms, you can use it on countertops, pretty much anything that you could use our tile and granite cleaner on. As always, do a small and conspicuous test spot to be on the safe side. So again, take care of yourself right now, be safe, wash your hands frequently, stay on top of not only cleaning the interior of your car, but clean the inside of your house too. So check it out, thekeys37.com. The entire Carolina line is on special. Then we've got this quarantine kit. I'm Nick Rudder from the Keys 37. Take care and be safe. Thank you.